Okay. Yeah. After completing the yesterday's small recap, the last question what we discussed yesterday. From that information here, you can understand that the hypotenuse means the resultant vector can be written as, look at here, the sum of two perpendicular sides, P bar plus Q bar. Okay. P bar plus Q bar means here the same thing he is going to apply. Try to understand, observe here what I am saying today in the class. This is again coordinate system, and this time I am saying that this is a vector, some A bar, this is a vector A bar, and that A bar exactly identical to the yesterday's concept. If you take two vectors in order here and that two perpendicular to each other, very easy to find out the angle and the magnitude, and very easy to write the resultant vector in terms of the given two vectors. Okay, that's why here the A bar actually was constructed from the two vectors here. What are the two vectors? Nothing to worry. You can understand very easily. Observe here. This is one vector identical to here P bar, and with another vector identical to Q bar. Another one I am taking here. Okay. With these two vectors, actually, I constructed the vector A bar. Okay. Now you understood first what I said. A bar is constructed from, yes, constructed from the perpendicular sides. Okay. Today we are very alert, sir. You just ask, like on the fingers, we say the answer, sir. Okay. I also believe the same. Yes, you are very alert today. A bar can be written as, look at this P bar. I am taking like it as A suffix X bar. Okay. Why I wrote X? I think without my explanation, you can understand. Why? Because it is taken all along the X axis. And the vertical one I write here as A suffix Y bar. Okay. So here P bar is taken as A suffix X bar and Q bar is taken as A suffix Y bar. Okay. Then A bar can be written with this knowledge like as AX bar like P bar plus AY bar. Is it correct? Is it correct? Yes, very good, Lalit. It is correct. Okay, good, good, good. Very good, very good. Then a bit go back in the lesson and think wisely. I think day before and yesterday, I gave a vector can be written as A bar equals to, while explaining, I think the unit vector concept, its magnitude into its unit vector a cap. Anyone remember this part? Yeah, good. A bar can be written as its magnitude into its unit vector. Okay, good. Then for my sake to remember easily, I am taking unit vector along the x-axis and y-axis are represented, means these unit vectors along x-axis, along y-axis, means along the red line, along the blue line. Okay, along the x and y-axis, x-axis and y-axis are represented as, I am representing like I and j. Okay, since they are unit vectors, we have to give a respect to the unit vector by putting a cap over the head. So a cap over the head, a cap over the head. By seeing those covers, you cannot judge who are these. They are the unit vectors. Why cap is there, sir, not the bar. If cap is there, they are coming under unit vectors. Very good, very good. Are represented as I cap and j cap respectively. Ganesh Shetty, where you get confused here, these unit vectors? Simple, they are unit vectors, Nana. Like a cap, here I am taking I cap as one unit vector. J cap as one unit vector. Along which directions? X direction and Y direction. Simple. This is one kind of representation, Anna. That's it. Nothing is there inside. Okay. Unit vector should be represented with any one alphabet. Na? Any alphabet you have to use. Okay. So for my convenience, I am taking those alphabets as I and J. So later onwards, if you see somewhere in the questions, I cap and J caps, you can easily understand. Oh, I caps are told it is a unit vector along x-axis. Oh, J caps are told it is the unit vector along y-axis. This is for our convenience. That's it. Okay, Nana? Right. This is our convenience one. Okay, nothing is there inside to think more about them. Nothing is there. Just our convenience. Okay, then coming to here, look at this step you have to understand properly. That implies this one keenly observe. A bar, how I am writing it as, equals to a suffix x bar. The vector can be written as its magnitude, means mod ax bar into its unit vector. Its unit vector. This step try to understand. Its unit vector means ax bar is along x-axis. Its unit vector, here I represented with I cap. So into I cap. Understood this part? Yes, yes. Yes, you have to write everything, not only today, every day you have to write, Lalit. Okay, whatever I am writing on the board, every day you have to write. Right? I think a few students struggled here. They did not copy the lesson part, what I explained. That's why they struggled in finding out this angle. Otherwise, easily you can say actually here. Okay, na? So every day you have to. And in the same way, second one, come to here. Shall I write AY bar as a suffix y bar. I write it as its magnitude, that is mod a suffix y bar into its unit vector. I write here j cap. Again, you understood this part? Yes, this is the way of representing a vector in 2 dimensions. That's it, very simple. It is the representation of a vector in 2 dimensions, 2D. Okay, that's it. So a vector can be written as axi cap plus ay j cap. A suffix x I cap, that is mod of, plus mod of ay a suffix y j cap. Okay, and here if I ask its magnitude of a bar, like here the magnitude of r bar, what you wrote the magnitude of r bar by using the Pythagoras? Root of the length of p bar square plus the length of q bar square. Am I right? In the same way, the magnitude of a bar, shall I write here, the length of a suffix x bar square plus the length of a suffix y bar square, just like what I took here, just identical to this equation. Once you see there what I am writing, whether you are able to understand or not, in the same way, what I highlighted in the box, in the same way, here I am writing, yes, mod of this part square plus mod of this part square. So mod of this part, mod ax square root of mod a suffix x square plus the other side, like here, mod of ay bar square is the resultant. That resultant I took here as the pink line a bar. So this is the magnitude of a bar. This step all of you followed? How to write the magnitude of a vector? Yes, very good, very good. That's good. That sounds good. So today we are not facing any hiccups, I think. Able to follow one by one. Okay. Yes. Very good. So this is the way of finding out the magnitude, and this is the way of representing a vector. Representing a vector here like this. Okay, and here take care, these are the unit vectors. I cap and j cap are the unit vectors along x-axis and y-axis. Okay, good. And here in the same way what I said in the yesterday's example, the tan alpha, how you calculated once you check there, tan alpha here? Mod q bar by mod p bar means the length of the opposite side divided by the length of adjacent side. Now come back to this question. If I ask what is the angle made by the given vector with x-axis alpha, I'm asking. So here shall I write in the same way, mod of the opposite side divided by mod of the adjacent side. So its direction gives us this one, gives the magnitude And second equation we are writing tan alpha is equals to opposite side divided by adjacent side. Okay, gives the direction of the vector of the given vector A bar. Okay, this is the way how to represent. It gives the direction and it gives the magnitude. So now you can ask any doubts here related to what to explain here, Sai Kumar? If you have any doubts, you can ask here. How to represent a vector and how to get here no doubts. Okay. How to represent a vector and how to write the magnitude. Of course, how to find out the direction. Okay. Where is Sai Kumar? Okay, you posted one comment and I think left away. Right, no problem. Right. Is Sai Kumar out of coverage area? Except Sai Kumar, all other are posting here. Okay, no problem. Right there. Right, no problem. Then using this, you are Sanjay. Yeah, okay, Sanjay. No problem. Here, what's your doubt? You posted something long back and again you did not respond for my question. You posted, sir, can you explain again? Afterwards, where you went off? Huh? Okay, then. Right, in the meanwhile, I think Sanjay will post something here. I cap and J cap already explained, Nana. Gangi Shetty asked and I told na that time where you went off. Here I cap is the unit vector taken along x-axis. This is the representation of one unit vector. Which unit vectors are along x-axis? The unit vector along x-axis. And J cap. Here this is also one unit vector. Unit vector along what direction? J cap. Okay. So if anyone asks you further, like just to tease you, size, suppose, Are Nana, today class you learned na, what is the mod I cap? If anyone asks you, how much you say? Don't say I don't know. Don't repeat the same word 2 times. I think others can respond. Gangi Shetty, mod I cap will be how much? Keep in mind, I cap is a unit vector. Unit vector, I am asking the magnitude. What is the magnitude of a unit vector? Yeah, someone is typing here. One correct only. Why you took this much time, Deepthi? Yes, all of you, why you took this much time? Yeah, mod I cap. If anyone asks you happily, you can say, "Arey bhai, it is unit vector re. Unit vector matlab its ka value be 1." Directly you can say. Okay. Mod J cap. If anyone asks you, this time don't take much time. What is the mod J cap? Yeah, this time responding quickly. What is the mod J cap? Right. Okay, that's good. This time responded quickly. That's it. They are just unit vectors. Okay. But for confirmation, we come to know that it is unit vector along which axis? We took it is along x-axis. Yes, Rakesh, very slowly responded. Okay, today what happened, I don't know. Okay, along x-axis, and this is along y-axis. They are the unit vectors. Okay, Nana? Oh, yes, so for my sake, will you say the answer for my question? Here, I'm asking a small question. I think all of you can easily, instantaneously can post the answer here. Okay, be ready here with your pen and paper. Very easily you can post the answer. Suppose a vector is represented as a bar is equals to, we write here, like say some, oh, this is long back answer, Saikmar. Okay, this is 8 I cap plus 9 j cap. Or else for convenience to get the exact value, here you take it as 12 I cap plus 9 j cap. Now you will get perfect root. Now the question is, find its magnitude. Will anyone say the answer? Wow, someone is typing there. Oh my goodness, is it one? No, Ray, magnitude, Ray. Here Rakesh posted correctly in a Zoom chat. Yeah, Maya, Aditya got the answer finally. Yes, this is 15. Yes, yes, good, good, good. We are actually using the same formula here. Yeah, mod a bar magnitude means mod a bar. Mod a bar is equals to under root of ax is mod a suffix x whole square. Mod ax means this is the mod ax. Okay, in the representation of vector, you can see that here mod ax, this is mod ax and this is mod ay. So 12 is mod ax whole square. That is, yeah, good, good, good. Lalit, 12 square plus here mod ay square. That is 9 square. 12 square is 144 plus 9 is 81. I think it gives 225. Yeah, this is 15 exactly. Yes, it is 15. Sorry, 225. That is equals to mod a bar value is equals to 15. Okay. So for today's class, last but not least, this one also, if you respond quickly, we can close the class quickly. Then here its magnitude, find its magnitude, and another one I'm asking direction, and its direction. Direction means I'm asking tan alpha equals to how much? Oh, Sai Kumar, okay, right, no problem. And here tan alpha, Sai Kumar, this time. A mod AY by mod AX. Wow, 3 by 4. Very good, very good. Mod AY means, yes, 3 by 4 correct only. Yeah. Mod AY is 9 divided by mod AX is 12. Yeah, 0.75. Instead of saying 0.75, again, I think all of you forgot the 3, 4, 5 right angle triangle. Here, yeah, 3 by 4, okay. When you get 3 by 4, if the angle is 53 or if the angle is 37. If angle is 53, you will get tan alpha is equal to 4 by 3. But I got 3 by 4. This time 37. Very good. First, again, from the right angle triangle, 3, 4, 5 right angle triangle, we can say the angle here is, if it is 53, that is 37. Tan 37 equals to 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 means alpha is equals to, straight away write it as 37 degrees. Okay. So do you have any doubts in today's class? No. Very good. Very good. So better we wind up the class here.